Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Susie's Sweet Treats. Tonight we're making dinner. Quick and easy. Sloppy Joes. So follow along and let's see how we get this quick and easy dinner turned out. Alright, so tonight's dinner is quick and easy Sloppy Joes. I get the recipe from All Recipes, so you can go on Google and find that. Put the burner on medium heat, and the first things first is to take the ground beef and put it in the skillet that's hot, and then cook it until it starts to render. It's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes, and a regular recipe is 1 pound, but I'm doubling the recipe today, so I have what is it, just over 2 pounds, 2.25 pounds. So again, we're just going to cook this up for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until it starts to render to cook. And then we'll go from there and add the next set of ingredients. Alright, so the beef has rendered some. It's still pink. So our next step is we're going to add the onions and the bell peppers. I cheat. I use the seasoning blend out of the frozen section, but if you were not using that, then for the recipe it's a 1/4 cup of chopped onion and a 1/4 cup of green bell peppers. I have 3/4 cup of that seasoning blend, which has your peppers and onions in it. So that goes in, and then we're going to cook this for approximately another 3 to 5 more minutes until the beef is all the way cooked through and the vegetables have softened. So once that step is done, we'll be right back. Alright, so the ground beef is browned, the vegetables are softened, and now we have the liquid and grease in here to drain. So a trick to do that is take some paper towels and soak up all of that liquid. Need a few more. Get the rest of this liquid soaked up. All the grease. And that way the grease isn't going down the drain, it's all contained and it can go right into the trash. So there's the beef, all browned. So the next step is to season it and to add the stuff to make the sauce. So of course, salt, and the salt is to taste. So whatever you feel. Pepper, also to taste. Garlic powder, recipe says a 1/2 teaspoon. And remember, I've doubled the batch, so for me it's 1 teaspoon. Then we're doing, for 1 single batch of the Sloppy Joes, it's a 3/4 cup of ketchup, but since I've doubled it, it's 1.5 cups. And then we also need 1 teaspoon per batch of yellow mustard. And then we also need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So because we're doubling it, we'll do 2. We're going to get this all stirred together. So that's what the Sloppy Joe's is going to look like for now. And now we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes so that the sauce can cook through, the flavors all combine. So we'll let this simmer for 20 minutes. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. Sloppy Joe's look amazing. So we have our bun. We're going to go ahead and put a dollop or so. There you go. Sloppy Joe's for the night. Quick, easy dinner. So again, here's the finished product. If you'd like to see more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what else you would like to see me cook. And thanks for supporting the channel.